In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is over here, so when I click, it turned white. That means that auto rotation is now disabled. To enable it, click on the same shortcut until it's blue. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, tap on Display and Brightness over here and scroll down to use this switcher next to Auto Rotate feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!